Hi friends, welcome to my channel Green Rap World. Today we are going to see 10 interesting predictions that are going to happen before 2050. This is only an extraction from Poluri Veer Brahmendra scripts. This is not my own friends, so don't blame on me. Um, Before going to the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you like the video, please like, share and comment. Poluri Veerabrahmendra was born on 1610 and died on 1693, but many of them oppose that he may be living in caves for long years. And if you don't believe in Veerabrahmendra, then let me show you some proofs that have happened in real life which are written in the scripts of Veerabrahmendra. We come across in a 6 years girl giving birth to a child that was written in the Veerabrahmendra script. And second one is woman rules country for 14 years. That was happened in India, that Indira Gandhi ruled India for 14 years as a prime minister. And a person like Gandhi who loves non-violence will fight across violence and gets independence to India. That also written in the Veerabrahmendra script. And if you go to fourth, ladies selling their body and fathers misbehaving with their own daughters. Our first prediction is Yaganti Nandishwara Swami will grow more than the present and will eat stones. Yaganti is a temple which is located in Kurnool, AP, India. It is said that before 100 years there was a space in between Nandi. That Nandi is made up of stone. It is proved that every 20 years that Nandi made up of stone increases by 1 inch in all the sides. In Veerabrahmendra scripts, it is clearly written that when Veerabhoga Vasantarayalu visits the temple, that Nandi will roar and eat stones. This will happen before 2034. Our second prediction is India will get superpowers. According to Veerabrahmendra Swami, India will get superpowers before 2028. Our third prediction is India produces hydrogen bomb. On August 6, 1945, America launched a nuclear bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, where nearly 3 lakhs people died. But hydrogen bomb is 100 times powerful than that nuclear bomb. The frequency produced by the hydrogen bomb kills people who listens to it even. Our fourth prediction is from Halupur Jogulamba eyes, tears come out. Halupur Jogulamba is a goddess statue and it is located in Telangana, Mahabubnagar, India. According to Veerabrahmendra Swami, before 2032, Halupur Jogulamba eyes, tears will be released and her breast releases milk. Our fifth prediction is babies speak as soon as they come from mother's womb. Renodal centers may be reason for that. Many parents wanted their child should be active from his or her first breath. Recently, we saw that a baby who is born just but walking. It is clear in Veerabrahmendra scripts that babies speak as soon as they come from mother's womb very soon. Our sixth prediction is before 2034, wool will get reduced. It is not meant that land masses get reduced, but we can find only one town among 7 towns. Veerabrahmendra said that before 2034, due to human activities and natural disasters such as fireballs from sky and storms of heavy winds will destroy the world, where you can find only one town among 7 towns. And also due to human wars this will happen. When coming to 7th prediction, new diseases will be produced which cannot be cured easily. The best example for that is coronavirus. In future, such diseases will challenge great scientists and doctors, where they find difficult to find cure to it. Our 8th prediction is Srisailam Mallikarjuna Swami communicate with people. Mallikarjuna temple is located 1700 meters above sea level. The main specialty of this temple is peoples who are going there can touch the Lord's leg and pray to wash their sins away. According to Veer Brahmendra, Lord Shiva will communicate with people coming to the temple in coming days. Our ninth prediction is three-legged cow will give birth to human baby. According to Veer Brahmendra, it is said that before 2028, a three-legged cow gives birth to a baby. That baby will have superpowers and no one can counter him. Our 10th prediction is confusion in calendar. According to Veer Brahmendra, due to different availability of calendars in market, people find difficult to follow same timings and same dates. Due to this, many people collide each other and it may also leads to wars. And Veer Brahmendra also said that 6 religions will combine to form 3 religions. And also Veer Brahmendra clearly explained that in upcoming days, due to lack of availability of food, humans eat humans itself. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications.